Cyber squatting involves registering or we can say the trafficking in or using a domain name with a bad faith. Intent is to profit from the someone else trademark. I see any trademark infringement, obviously the intention is like a taking a benefit, because goodwill is like achieved by that particular trademark and you are trying to get the share from that market by using the similar trademark. Posing that entity tries to pose itself as if that is a original trademark owner. That is the situation. Then cyber squatting, what is happening here, the obviously the key aspects, if we see that here it's like an online situation is there, right. So ICANN is like giving you the domain names, and so sometimes what happen that with the name of that particular trademark is already registered, but with the help of that trademark a domain name is registered with ICANN.